Okay, so it's Jim Bob here. We're on Maggie's Farm, remote today, and we're going to put a gate post in somewhere near that fence post, so it's got something to tie back into. And we're going to put one of these. This one here's got swinging hinges, so we're going to hang that on its original post. We got to dig a hole. Let's put a fence post in, a gate post. Yeah, I'll show you how. There we go. That's where the ground level's going to be. I can dig that out, put some gravel in the bottom. So I need to make it, what I need to make, that's too small. So I need to get a square hole, really. Because a square is going to have more pressure, more flat area pushing with the gate, weight of the gate coming down. You're going to have better holding there, and also at the bottom of the post as well. I sort of need to have a flat area down the bottom, maybe even keyed out a bit flat along that side, because it's going to want to go that way.
Oh, Jim Bob, it looks like you might have left a few words on the table when you went to school, huh? Let me draw you a picture of maybe what I was trying to say. Whew, let's go. Okay, so we got the gate. We got the gate here, and we got a big post in the ground, right? And then there's the hole. We got the hole in the ground. There's the hole. Nice, nice. Okay, and then we got gravity. Gravity is pushing down on the gate post at one end, and this is the big G here. Big gravity is pushing down at this end of the gate. Big arrow down. That's the big force down. Now it's causing some forces over on the post, because it's got these two hinges here. There's two hinges, top and bottom, right? So the top hinge is going to be having most amount of pull on the post, right? And there's a little bit of pull on the bottom of the post. It could even be pushing back the other way, actually. But in the hole, we've got this force going out that way, and that's what the post is trying to do in the ground. So we need this big flat bit here, this big heavy bit of concrete there or something, and a big flat bit here. That's what we need. That's what we're trying to achieve. I don't know if I made it any clearer, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Righto.
Here comes the fun bit. Mainly just at the top I need this. Yeah, I do have the bigger cutting teeth for this, but I don't know where it is. Never used them yet. Change the teeth out, make a bigger hole.
That's the sound of the police.
I always put a bit of drainage in the bottom of the hole. When I'm concreting posts in, so that any moisture inside the pole can drain out. Otherwise it gets blocked in there and it'll rust out on the inside of the pole. Just saying, you know that. There's the bottom of the gate, just for the height of the ground here. I want to allow a little bit. Coming up here with a little bit of a pier. Coming up just a little bit. Not bad there. Yeah, we'll go with it. We'll go with it. Okay. Just come and hold that, babe.
Like a ninja.
Crush it up, we'll hold it in nice. Put a hole in there at all.
Like a ninja.
What was that?
Sounded like that.
Oh. Oh no, I know what it is.
What? Oh, did your tie just pop or something?
Yeah, the wheelbarrow tire just popped.
Alright, prices are going
Funny. I thought some gas explosion happened. Yeah. Not a wheelbarrow. It's gone.
Job.
Right.
Well done. Alright, let's get this done. That's a decent blowout, isn't it? That's decent. What happened here? Let's get an autopsy on this. Huh. This is a straight up. It's a straight up blowout. What the fuck is that? Will that hold? It did. Yeah, here's the sheet that I've got here. That's a 1 inch one, and then this one isn't a 1 inch one. Huh. That's an even turn. That's solid axle. Huh. Okay. How does this work then? I did find a bit of pipe at home that was 1 inch, roughly the right length. It might be a bit long. Yeah, it fits in there. I think we might fit in here. We can make that fit. Yeah, we can make that fit. We'll make it fit. Yeah. Okay. Now what? What do these do? I don't know where this goes. Okay, let's put that in through here. Let's just do this. I don't know what this is here for. Don't need that. Where's this other one? Put this in here. We'll open this up. Huh. That might work. I don't know, might need to float around a little bit. Might have to locate these I'll have to locate these with hose clamps or something. Who knows? Alright. See if we can poke this onto here. Okay, there. And oh, we've got a lot of float. Yeah, I'm thinking the hose clamp idea might work. I wonder if anyone's ever done this. Swap to this type of wheel system on a wheelbarrow. I bet you they just go and buy a new wheelbarrow. Well, isn't that a waste? You know? Well, let's run that in there. I'll probably just give that a little nip. I'll leave this out this side of it and just cut it off with a whoopsie daisy machine. Oh, jeez. You'd think I would have learned how to turn the bloody nuts the right way back in my apprenticeship. Okay, there we go. Alright, that's one. Okay, but at least I can use it. At least I can use it now. Yeah, I'll have to do something about locating with that. This would have done that sort of job before. Anyway, job's right.
Kimber, I wouldn't even let him work on my wheelbarrow.